How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Well, one of the simplest way of customizing your Android device is by applying different wallpapers. Once we change the wallpaper, it feels like we are using a brand new device. With that being said, in today's video, I will be showing you 5 amazing applications from where you can get some beautiful wallpapers. As always, I will be giving away some promo codes in this video, and also you won't find these applications anywhere else. So stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Let's aim for 1500 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, the first application in our list goes by the name called Buffy Walls. This is a brand new wallpaper app where you can find a great collection of high quality wallpapers for your phone. When you open the app, you will find all the new and trending wallpapers in the first page, and if you just click on the category tab, here you will get a lot of different categories of wallpaper that you can choose from. Apart from this, the app also offers stock wallpapers of different brands, so if you like using stock wallpapers, then this is the app that you should consider. All these wallpapers that you see here are of high quality, and I just love the collection that it has. Now one more thing that I really liked is the user interface. As you can see, it has this clean interface with some beautiful animations that you won't find in other applications. Overall, if you're looking for a nice wallpaper app where you can find all sort of different wallpapers, then make sure you download this one. It is totally free in the Play Store. Next up, we have an app for AMOLED lovers. If you like using black and dark wallpapers on your phone, then this is a perfect app for you. It's called Amoled Wallpapers, and as the name suggests, it has got one of the best collection of dark and black wallpapers for your home screen. All these wallpapers are specially designed for AMOLED display, and trust me, it is one of my favorite apps when it comes to AMOLED and dark wallpapers. Now unlike the previous application, here you have a simple and plain interface where you only get 3 categories, which is new, popular and random. If you want to download any wallpaper, simply tap on it. You will get an option either to download or set it directly on your home screen. Overall, the app is simple, easy to use, but the wallpaper collection that it offers is amazing. Definitely try it out. Moving on, we have an app called Minimal Walls. Minimal Walls is a free app that has a plethora collection of minimal wallpapers for your home screen. If you are a person who like using minimal and clean wallpapers so that you can apply different widgets and customize your home screen, then I'm sure you are going to love this application. Needless to say, the wallpapers are all super high quality, and no matter which screen resolution you are rocking, the wallpapers would look great. Once you open the app, you get all the latest wallpapers followed by the random and popular ones. If you swipe right, you get the category section, which has more than 25 different categories such as abstract, AMOLED, animals, cars, flat colors, games, material, nature, and we also have a separate category for punch hole wallpapers, which consist of some beautiful wallpapers specially designed for your punch hole. I think it's a great app with some amazing wallpapers, and even the UI is extremely smooth, which makes the whole experience a lot more premium. Now even though the app is free, it does have the pro version which lets you access exclusive wallpapers with ad-free experience. The developer was kind enough to provide me with 50 promo codes for the pro version. To get one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. Well, before I move on with the next application, let me show you one of the easiest way of downloading wallpapers on your phone. I know many of you are not comfortable installing third-party apps. For those, I have one simple solution. All you can do is, you can join our Telegram channel where I post some great wallpapers for you. We already have more than 23,000 subscribers, so if you haven't already, then make sure you join right now. You will find a direct link in the description. At number 4, we have Pixie Wallpapers. This is probably one of the clean application where you can find some great wallpapers for your phone. The user interface is simple, where you have all the wallpapers in the first page, and below you just need to swipe up to get different categories of wallpapers that you can choose from. You can also search the wallpaper by color. If you open any wallpaper, you get this color palette on the top right, by using which you can search the wallpaper in your favorite colors. Apart from this, the app also has a very unique feature which lets you set any wallpaper with parallax effect. All you have to do is select the wallpaper you like, click on this apply icon. It will ask you whether you want to apply through Pixie Walls. Simply click on it and you will get a parallax effect wallpaper which looks really cool. Not only this, you also get a separate section where you can download some cool live wallpapers for your device. Overall, I think it's a great wallpaper app with some useful features. Definitely try it out. Finally, we have Cream. Cream is a wallpaper app that has a collection of smooth gradient wallpapers for your phone. if you like clean setups with plain wallpapers where you can apply different widgets and icon pack to make your home screen pop, then I think this is an app that you should consider. The app comes with a beautiful interface that consists of all different colors gradient wallpapers, and if you like any of this, simply select it. You get an option either to apply on your home screen or the lock screen. All in all, it's a simple app where you can find some beautiful gradient wallpapers for your smartphone. I think for the price of free, it's definitely worth trying. So that's pretty much it guys. These are 5 amazing wallpaper apps where you can find some great wallpapers for your phone. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.